Okay, sorry about that. My phone cut off. And it didn't just cut off. It was me. I touched something. Okay. So, first what we're going to do is, I hope y'all can see, we're going to clean this bottom. Because that's what all the makeup gurus do. And now, y'all, I have to remind y'all, I can't see. Because I don't have no glasses or no contacts on. Okay. Okay. Now, they really gonna be off because I'm trying to do it and record. But I said I wanted to do it because without some light, because people want to know. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit more. Of the foundation stick. Okay, yeah, just a little bit more. She's saying she's trying to get out of debt. I don't blame her. I was trying to hear what she was saying. All in somebody's business. Well, I'm just putting a little bit of that foundation back on here. On the brush. And I have, I used the Farsali, the green one, the one in the turquoise bottle, on my face today. I did not use the pink one because the pink one is the powdery one. The pink one is the one that turns your face white. And y'all, Northside Hospital calling me. They have to leave a message. They probably trying to help get me in my account so I can do my CBL. Now, As y'all can see, they so different. You see how narrow this one is and how wide this one is. And I really would like to get this one just a little bit more narrow too. Just a little bit. But I actually need more foundation. But it's okay. I just want to show you all how I did my brows, because once this pen dry, y'all, that's it. Once the pen dry, that's it. You can remove it with soap and water. Okay. So once the pen dry, that's it. So this what I'm gonna do. Just take this and take this. Okay. I really hate my phone turned off. It was how I touched it, y'all. It was how I touched it this time. So I use foundation on my eyes and around my eyes. Yeah, I'm a little sick on my stomach. Orange juice don't agree with me anymore, y'all. I don't know why. So I have to do my complete my annual training. And I think this BENIN is okay. Benign. I think it's okay. And I didn't have to go in with the pencil like I thought I was gonna have to do to make the tail darker, because I had went over it so many times by mistake with the pen and made the tail darker. I'm sorry that the light just wasn't good today at all. This light was funky. So what I'm gonna do is, I had been saying that I was gonna use this KVD palette. I've already swatched it before on my channel, KK West, I'm sorry. And I used this cranberry this weekend. And I posted it already because I had went over to the mall to pick up my my contacts. And I got my little granddaughter a cute little gift. Her birthday's coming up. Her birthday coming up, so and I can't get it to do no more than what it's doing now. It's like a bronze, and you know they don't wear real heavy makeup at all. So let me show you the shade, that bottom shade, the one in the middle. You see that one's kind of black, that one's silver. The one in the middle, the bronze shade. That's what I'm putting on my lid. And it's nice, and that's nice. Now I don't really need anything on my lips because I have on a mask. But we're gonna go ahead and do this color pop. And y'all know I just line my lip with it. Okay. And that's Mama Sita from ColourPop. And I would do like a liner, but that's not what I'm going for today. This was pretty much just a brow tutorial to show you how I use my Juvia's Place dark brown brow pen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend about my channel. I love you for watching to the end. Bye.